Personality, Prakriti and planet. What seems to be the connection? How did Parashara explain? Namaskaraha, welcome to Jyotish Shastram channel and Astrobytes series. Astrobytes are short videos on the knowledge from Sage Parashara's Book of Knowledge, Prad Parashara Pora Shastram. In Astrobytes series, I have covered the first 3 chapters and this video is about the 4th chapter, Graha Guna Swarupa Adhyayaha. The first 12 verses of this chapter were covered previously. I will cover the next few verses in this video. As the name of the chapter suggests, Graha Guna Swarupa Adhyayaha, these verses are about the planetary characteristics. We start with the most important Graha, Surya. Yes, Surya is a Graha, but not a planet. Graha means that it has an influence. Graha versus planet is explained in this video. Take a look if you're interested. Since Surya is our source of life and has a phenomenal influence on us, in Vedic astrology it is considered as a Graha and in fact the king of Grahas. Sage Parashara describes Surya in this 13th verse as Madhu Pingala Druk Suryaha Chaturasraha Shuchihi Dvija Pitta Prakrutiko Bhiman Puman Alpakacho Dvija. He says to Maitreya, O twice born, the sun has honey-colored eyes, square body, is clean, bilious, intelligent, manly and has limited hair on the head. Qualities such as clean, manly, body structure being square, body nature being Pitta Prakriti or bilious and with limited hair, these are especially seen in those individuals with Simha Lagna, whose Adhipati is Surya. Due to the fiery nature of Surya, this influences Pitta Prakriti in an individual, which results in less hair as well. Yellow eyes also indicates excess Pitta. The next Graha that he describes is Chandra. Again, Chandra being Manokaraka is also a Graha in Vedic astrology. The sage describes Chandra in this verse as Bahuvata Kapaha Pragnaha Chandro Vritta Tanuhu Dvija Shubhadrin Madhuvakyahacha Chanchalo Madanaturaha. He says, O Brahmin, the moon is very windy and phlegmatic, is intelligent, has a round body with beautiful eyes, sweet speech, is fickle-minded and lustful. These qualities and features are mostly seen in those individuals with Kataka Lagna, whose Adhipati is Chandra. Moon's influence is not only on water bodies, but it also influences the body to become more phlegmatic and have frequent cold-related issues. Since it governs the stomach of a body, it causes windy or gastric issues as well. The sage describes Mars or Mangala in this verse as Krura Raktaruno Bhaumaha Chapala Udara Murtikaha Pitta Prakritika Krodhi Krusha Madhyatanuhu Dvija. He says, O Brahmin, Mars is cruel natured, angry, fickle-minded but liberal-hearted, bilious, has blood-red complexion, is thin with an average height. Again, these qualities and features are mostly seen in those individuals with Mesha Lagna or Vrishchika Lagna, whose Adhipati is Mangala. Mangala is fiery and hence enhances anger, causes Pitta Prakriti or bilious issues in turn, and hence the nature seems cruel. When you apply the Graha characteristics while analyzing a person's horoscope, you will see that it indeed has a significant influence on the personality, health and features of the person. It is indeed remarkable to see such accurate representation. The characteristics of Sun, Moon and Mars should provide you the required awareness of how it influences a person's horoscope as well. With awareness comes insight and I want you to develop Jyotish Shastram insight to plan your life better. Dhanyavadaha.